Okay. Hello, everyone. Good day. My name is Ghassan Harahap. I'm a student majoring in food quality assurance at the Vocational College of IPB University, year 3, and I would like to present to you the journal that I've been working on with my professors, Miss Intani Dewi and Sir Aziz, and lecturer assistant Miss Bella, my group members Ardia, Eldora, Fiska, Puspa, which is shown in the presentation title, Marketing Strategy and Consumer Satisfaction in Gen Z's Purchasing Decisions, study case at Migacuan, Bogor. So this is the agenda for today discussions. In the introduction of the journal, a theoretical study that is used, the research method to collect the research journal data and analytics, as well as the discussions from the data collected. And lastly, the conclusion that is made from our research journal and references from our research journal. Okay, moving on from the introduction. So, noodle products are one of the most popular products among Indonesian people. Instant noodle products are the most widely consumed products. Consumption of instant noodles in Indonesia has continued to increase in recent years. Consumption of instant noodles in Indonesia has skyrocketed since the COVID-19 pandemic. And as shown in the figure from the presentation, Indonesia's consumption of instant noodles is very high, even reaching billions. Over the past 3 years, Indonesia's instant noodle consumption has varied from 12.64 in 2020 to 13.27 in 2021 and 14.26 billion in 2022. The number has increased every year. And the next is the figure 2, which is average consumption of instant noodles per pack in Bogor City year 2020 and 2022. Figure 2 shows the average consumption, and it is increasing every year from 1,067 packs in 2021 to 1,081 packs in 2020, with each pack weighted around 80 grams of noodles. So I would like to introduce our main focus of presentation today, which is the Migacuan. And Migacuan is a fast food restaurant with a main focus on serving noodles and dim sums. It is a growing culinary business in Bogor. It offers a menu of noodles with different level of spiciness, depending on what the customer wants. Migacuan is a restaurant that serves spicy noodles as the main menu. Currently, it has 54 branches in Indonesia and 6 branches in the Bogor city. The main goal of Migacuan is to satisfy consumers and increase sales. The goal of Migacuan is proven and is achieved by the data that we processed. But to refer from spoilers, we'll talk about that later in the research result and discussion sections. Okay, so moving on to theoretical studies. The theoretical studies that we use for our research journal are marketing, market research, and consumer satisfaction. The first theoretical study is marketing. Marketing is a managerial process that results in individuals or groups fulfilling what they need or want by creating, offering, and exchanging products that have value with other parties. We use this theory to fill the theory on our research journal. It is a key for us to know and understand what marketing strategy Migacuan use. And moving onward is the market research. Market research is the process of identifying, collecting, analyzing, disseminating, and using information systematically and objectively to help management make decisions related to identifying and solving problems in the field of the marketing. Market research in this regard is for us to understand also and more in depth about the marketing strategy, what theory the Migacuan use to attract consumers and what they do so they can satisfy customer needs and demands. And lastly, moving on to the 3 section, which is the customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is a label used by consumers to summarize a set of visible actions or actions related to the products or services. Consumer satisfaction can be a reference for a consumer to express positive or negative feelings regarding products or services that have been used or consumed. To further prove the validity of our data, we process the data further using CSI or Customer Satisfaction Index method from the questionnaire that was given out to Migacuan Gen Z's customer to know if they were satisfied with the quality, communication, and if it's fulfilling their demands and needs with things that are provided in the restaurant. Okay, moving on is the research method. So for the research method, this research method is a descriptive method and a quantitative approach. This method is used to explain the respondents' assessment of megachuan products. In this study, samples are taken by using the method of judgmental sampling technique. This research was conducted by panelists. The customer satisfaction index is an analytical tool to use to see the value of customer satisfaction with the product's consumed. It is used to determine the level of satisfaction by looking at the level of importance of the method and of the product or service attributes. The CSI method is used to determine the level of visitor satisfaction with the result of service performance by looking at the level of importance at the service attribute. So this is the research result and discussion. So for the table 2 is for CSI customer satisfaction index calculation of megachuan. And the table 3 the CSI method satisfaction level criteria. So as you guys can see, our CSI process data shown 89.7 result, which means at the index value, megachuan consumer is very satisfied by the services and also the products of megachuan. And also, in the CSI calculation, it is necessary to first find the average value of expectation and the perception, as shown as the E and the P from the table that are shown in the table 2. And also, of each representative question, then multiply the two and then process them with the CSI formula and obtain the CSI value to measure whether the consumers are satisfied or not with the product concerned. The maximum value of CSI is 100%. Meanwhile, the CSI value obtained for megachuan was 89.7%. So it can be conducted or concluded that megachuan consumers stated that they were very satisfied with megachuan products and services. So for the conclusion, there are several factors that are the reasons for customer decision making by megachuan products, including namely low prices, variance of spiciness level offered, menu, etc. And also, maybe for the attractive promotions and also as the customer service, testimonials from other buyers or lip-to-lip, maybe news from other consumers and easy location access. These factors are the one that is very effective of making the customer satisfaction of megachuan very high and is proven by the calculations that have been done with a CSI score of 89.7%. So here's the references for our research journal. And that's it for me. I'm Ghassan Rafananda Harahap, student majoring in food technology and food quality assurance at College Vocational Studies of IPB University. I would like to say thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much.